So now we have done analysis for Nifty, Bank Nifty. All sector are down, yes or no? So there is only one sector which is performing positive. Media 4% down, auto 2% down, realty 3% down, metal 2% down, private bank down, Bank Nifty down. Only one sector is positive. Shrinu ji, Deepak ji, Nishit ji, Rupesh ji, all of you are right. That is IT. Nifty IT. Look at this sector. Tell me what type of breakout is here. What kind of breakout happened in Nifty IT index sector? So again, this is weekly chart. Weekly chart. Okay. So stock is making high number 1, lower high number 2, lower high number 3. So stock is trying to create a down channel or downtrend channel. So can you see here? Is this near breakout? So now look at this. So last week, what type of this candle form? Last week, pin bar, yes or no? Is it pin bar? Is it kind of pin bar? It is not exactly pin bar, but yes, you can say pin bar. And it is as resistance. So above pin bar, bullish. So that's what happened in this week. IT sector. What type of candle form in this week? Doji. So note down high of Doji. So let me check. High is 37,013. So Nifty IT crossing high, very good for IT stock. We can invest in IT stock. Is that part clear? So IT stock is very good. So you can go through Infosys. Infosys trade is already given and it is open. Yes or no? Those who are DTH student, tell me, have you got Infitrade? So same pattern, can you see here? Same type of pattern in Infosys. Look at this Nifty IT sector. Infosys, same pattern happen here. So Infosys, those having bull call spread, risk is 4,000, reward is 8,000. Hold it. No need to square up. Hold it. So Infi looks very good, or it is very good for investing purpose as well. And another stock is there, Wipro. So Wipro also gave downtrend breakout. Please look at here. Is this stock gave downtrend breakout? Wipro. So if you want to go with bullish strategy, Infosys and Wipro. Yes, any other IT stock? Yes, you can invest in any other IT stock which is giving breakout. Okay, Deepak ji. HCL Tech. Yes, I will check HCL Tech as well. So HCL Tech right now, Doji is there. Okay, it is like no sideways zone. So let it cross this zone. You can trade in HCL Tech. This is about outlook, market outlook. All other sector are down. Rest all sector are down. So for bullish side, Nifty IT looks very good. Otherwise, all sector are down. Nifty also very good to short below 17,000. Bank Nifty also very good to short below 35,500. And Nifty IT is good for long. Infosys, Wipro, you can trade in that stock. ICICI is in downtrend. Yes, Ramesh sir, you can go with bear put spread. But remember, as a trader, risk should be less than 5,000, less than 6,000. Not more than that. Clear? Am I clear about risk? Focus always on risk. Risk कम रहेगा तो पैसा बचेगा. पैसा बचेगा तो ही आप ट्रेड कर पाओगे. Right?
Register for our free webinar. Download our app today. Link in description.